Introductions.
Hello, I am Inigo Montoya.
Yeah, I saw it coming.
That is a no accurate introduction. Alright, huh?
Oh, wait until you're ready.
I'm ready right now. You seem a decent Jedi. I would love to kill you.
Easy then. Okay, Sith. I'd hate to die.
Begin! What? You're using Makushi
Oh,
again?
yeah. You're using what she gets to.
I have a fitting considering what straight passing on paper.
Naturally, I don't expect you to act with a guitar rail.
Naturally, you must expect me to counter with weirdness.
Ah. Nope. Yup.
Got that.
Haha, Niman! Yeet!
What? Aha. I admit it. You are more handsome than I am.
Then why are you smiling?
Because I know something you do not.
What's that?
I am bisexual!
Hey, there's something I should tell you.
Oh, do tell.
I'm also bisexual.
Who are you?
A Jedi.
I meant, are you single?
No, I'm actually married to this really wonderful person.
Aww.
Oh, surely you wouldn't kill someone so handsome as I.
I would sooner destroy you. More honest like yourself. But since I can't have you following me.
Aww.
Also not gonna follow you.
Oh.